Hi, I'm Steve Richardson. Are you getting divorced here in southern New Jersey? Are you looking to file bankruptcy to get rid of your debts as part of your overall divorce strategy? Are you filing but not your spouse? If that's the case, you need to be careful about how you list your marital home in the bankruptcy. Because if you don't list it properly, it can create a problem. And this usually arises because of equitable distribution in the divorce. Now, how could that happen? Well, let's say the marital home is in your spouse's name. His or her name is the only one on the deed. But in the divorce, you're seeking to get the home in equitable distribution. Well, you want to list that claim in your bankruptcy. You may not be the legal titled owner of the marital home, but you have a claim against that home, against the equity of the home, against the home itself as an asset. Or let's say you and your spouse own it jointly. You're both on the deed. But you're seeking in the divorce to have your spouse sign over his or her interest to you so that you become the sole owner in that property. If that's the case, you need to disclose that as well. Now, if you don't list it properly, it can create problems for you in a couple areas. One, in the divorce, your spouse may say, well, they didn't list it in the bankruptcy as a claim. I'm the only title owner. My spouse didn't list it as a claim in equitable distribution, so they're not making a claim. And that inconsistency could cause a problem in the divorce. Or the bankruptcy trustee might have a concern with it. Say, hey, wait a minute, you have this potential claim to this home. Equity might be coming to you. Because even though there might not be an order of equitable distribution to give you the home, if that is a pending claim, and if that gets transferred or you receive it within 6 months of filing the bankruptcy, it becomes an asset of your estate. So the trustee might get involved, and there might be a problem there. Same thing with it being a jointly held home and your spouse supposed to turn over the rest of the equity to you, so that in effect you're not the co-owner of the property but ultimately be the sole owner of the property, and that could change the equity situation in your bankruptcy. So you have to be careful about how you list it. So if you're getting divorced here in southern New Jersey and you're thinking about filing bankruptcy, please feel free to give my office a call. I'd be happy to sit down with you, look at your situation, and see whether bankruptcy is right for you.